The toString method in Java is a method that every class inherits from the object class. Its primary purpose is to return a string representation of an object. The default implementation of this method, inherited from object, returns a string consisting of the class name, the character, followed by the unsigned hexadecimal representation of the object's hash code. Let's start by writing a test that will check the correctness of our implementation. We must remember to include the class name, significant fields, and it is worth ensuring consistent formatting and security in the case of fields that should not be made available. It is worth paying attention to the text blocks feature that was added in Java 15. To implement the toString method, we will overwrite the implementation from the object class.